Hello world. So in 2018, if you are a pen tester, I'm assuming that you are already aware of Burp Shoot Extender. In this 101 series, I'll be exploring Burp Shoot Extender, Hello World, and some basic stuff so that it can help you. Before getting started, I'm already assuming that you have already set up a Jython environment inside your Burp Shoot. If you haven't, please follow my Burp Shoot Jython initialization tutorial, which will be provided in the description of this video. So let's get started. So all of us knows that to create or write Burp Shoot extender, you need to implement their APIs. So as you can see that Burp iBurp extender, it's basically written in Java, but to implement that thing into Jython, we need to convert them. So there is a package Burp. So we'll be implementing only iBurp extender from that package. So to do that, I'm importing from Burp import iBurp extender. So then you can see that it's a Java class. I need to implement that class. So what I'll be doing, I'll be creating a class burp extender, and it will be implementing iburp extender. So I'll pass that, and then I'm coming over here. You can see that I also need to override this method. So I'll be doing def. I'll be passing this. So you can see that there is iburp extender callbacks and then callbacks. So I'll be passing self object, and then I'll be passing callbacks to this method, and instead of pass I can write return, and I'm saving this. So this should be the basic, very basic, or you can say that it it is the minimal code to import or to hook your code into Jython. So I'll be adding a new extension by clicking add. I'm selecting Python, and I'm selecting the file hello world.py, clicking on next, and you can see nothing happened, but it is loaded without any kind of error. So there are two tabs, one is output, one is error. So as you can see, there is nothing in the output, but if I'm tampering with the code like that, and I'm reloading the extension, so there is definitely a error, right? It's a syntax error, and it will follow you to this error tab. So I'm removing this, pressing save button, and I'll be shifting to callbacks. So basically, to uh, so basically there are lots of callbacks. So there is an interesting callback which is set extension name. Let's implement this. So you can see that I need to parse a string. So to do that, I'll be definitely using callbacks. So callbacks dot set extension name. I'll be providing hello world because it's a hello world for us. So I'm reloading this extension, and you can see the name renamed to hello world. So let's implement another callback which will be output. So I'm not interested in output, standard out. There is a method called print output. So I'll be implementing this method, and again I'll be using callbacks dot print output. I'm typing hi, pressing save, going back to extension and reloading this. You can see that hi is printed in the console. So here comes the power of Python. So instead of writing one single hi, I want to write 100 highs. So what I'll be doing, for x in range 1 to 100, definitely removing pass, pressing a back button, I'll be implementing this thing. So it is a high, and I want to create the number also. So I'll be typing string stri equals to, that would be str. I'm converting x plus high. So I guess I should put this thing this words. So it's a high, and I'll be printing this its number. I'll be parsing this to here. So let's reload our extension, and as you can see that it is printed high 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 299. So that's it guys, see you on the next video. Thanks a lot, have a good day.